With the smoke spritz on that right away, what you get is sort of this cedar, smoky, kind of just nostalgic of like mornings walking out on the deck and the sun's like drying the dew. That's what you get on the nose, but then you take a sip and that smoke kind of dissipates and is just replaced by like all the springtime flavors. There's like the grapefruit and the mint and the gin and the tequila and a little bit of like orange blossom. It is really just springtime mornings. It's beautiful and it's delightful and it's nostalgic. So let's go shopping. So we are gonna use the Arete tequila. This is the Blanco. I like it because it's kind of a balance between like the sweeter tequilas and the more earthy. It's kind of right in the middle. You get some of those earthy notes. You also get a little of that like cooked agave. It's smooth, it's great for cocktails. It's at a price point, makes it really accessible for cocktails, and it just works as a great little all-purpose tequila. So now we have Yellow, which is a Genepi made actually in New York by Forhave Spirits, but they use the Genepi, which are flowers from the French Alps. It is got some sweetness, floral, herbal notes. It's a really delicate, beautiful liqueur that plays really nicely in adding sort of character to this cocktail. So we're gonna use Condesa gin. This is a Mexican gin and it is prickly pear and orange blossom. You get a little bit of pear. To me, it's a little more floral. So you get a lot of that orange blossom that comes through, which is a very springy flavor. And then your typical sort of juniper and gin notes as well. But it's fun, it's really wonderful just on its own, and I think it brings a great complexity and then more of those springtime elements to the cocktail. Today we're gonna make springtime nostalgia. Nostalgia, is that how you say it? 1 ounce tequila, 3/4 ounce Genepi, 1 ounce pear and orange blossom gin. This really is like all the springtime things. 1/4 ounce mint simple syrup. That is a mint infused simple syrup that I made. So just equal parts of sugar and water dissolved together, and then I also put fresh mint in there so that it sort of infused it. Simple to make, good to have. 1/2 ounce lime juice. 1 generous ounce grapefruit juice. Ice.
Come on, hand.
Throw the cocktail all over the place. Watch, now I won't be able to get it off. Just gotta hit the sweet spot. That's what she said. Get your fun glass, strain. Oh, that worked out perfectly. And then, final touch, we have got a mezcal, and we're just going to spritz. Like so. And that is how you make our springtime nostalgia.